I'm back, y'all. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, what's good? I'm making this video. Somebody asked me to make a video about how to make custom lollipops to go with your packages. So I'm going to do this real quick. This ain't going to be a long video. This is a silicone mold. I got this from AliExpress a while ago, but you can definitely look on Etsy or Amazon. Make sure it's a silicone mold. Any shape you want, I'm sure you could look up. But I got these lips because, of course, I'm in the lip business. I sell lip gloss. So I got these because I knew I always wanted to include these type of lip lollipops. So I've been bought this. Like I said, I don't know the link. I bought this a while ago. You can definitely look on Etsy or look on Amazon. And I'm sure you can find this. Make sure it is a silicone mold. Do not get the plastic one because that shit will burn in your oven. Okay, so let's just get started. I make these super easy, super simple. It literally takes less than 10 minutes. So first, this is a cookie sheet I have. Whatever you want to place it on, that works for you, whatever. But this is what I use. I use a cookie sheet and my silicone mold. It's washed and everything. Then you want to make sure you got some lollipop sticks. You want to make sure you got the, what they call these? I don't know. You know what I'm talking about though. These little things, you know, to wrap the plastic bag. And then you want to make sure you got these plastic bags. I didn't even open this one yet. Honestly, I'm probably about to get rid of these lollipops in my packages because I'm tired of making them. I'm tired of making them. This is probably gonna be the last batch. I made this video. I'm gonna make this video real quick because I just packed some orders, and I was like, you know, let me. I got a couple new orders, so I was like, let me include, you know, these lollipops. I was gonna make these for you real quick. So what I use is Jolly Ranchers. I want to show y'all the Jolly Ranchers I got in this bowl. It's only 7 in here because my son been sneaking in my damn office eating up all my damn candy. So I only got 7 lollipops to make right now. This makes 10. I only got 7 pieces of candy. We're gonna make it work. And the next, no, those are all used for the orders, but whatever. The next order's going out. Y'all getting the last lollipops. I'm not even making these no more. But let me just show you. Let's get into the video real quick. So what you want to do is, I know some people, they make their candy first, let it, you know, do what it do in the oven, and then as it's cooling off, they like to insert the sticks. Me, I like to get it out the way. So I just place them down. I got 7 pieces of candy. I already unwrapped them and stuff. So we're going to do this real quick. So what you want to do is, in the meantime, you want to preheat your oven to 350, right? We always, black people, we always cook everything on 350. All right, that's 7 sticks right there. Boom. Now, we go get the candy. I already unwrapped them. I got them sitting in this bowl. Like I said, I normally do just red, but I did have some other colors of, you know, the Jolly Ranchers. You can get a pack for $1 at Dollar Tree. Listen, Dollar Tree is like, girl, go to Dollar Tree, go get you a pack of Jolly Ranchers. It's lit. But it comes with blue, purple, you know, all the colors. But my son has been sneaking in my office, eating up all my damn candy. He ate all my Starburst that I give out with my my pink pussy fairy and my pussy fairy gloss. Like, fam, what are you doing? But anyway, this is what he left me. He left me 4 of grape. Who eats grape? But whatever. Right? So what I do is I just set it down right here, like literally right on top of the stick. Right on top of the stick. You want to do that. Oh, child. You want to set it right. Make sure it's in the middle. Do that real quick. I can't believe he ate all the candy. Like, my son got a fucking sweet tooth like that nobody can cure. He be eating up all the snacks. He be eating up everything. Every fucking thing in his house. But why you touching my candy in my office, fam? Like, what are you doing? All right. Oh, come on now. Yo, I'm always doing something. The most. I do the most. All right, boom. There we go. We got 7 lollipops. That's all I had. So listen, like I said, you set your oven to 350. Now listen, this is very crucial. Set a timer for 7 minutes. That's it. 7 minutes. You don't go under, don't go over. I've tried it. I've tested it out before. 6 minutes just wasn't cutting it. 7 minutes was great. You go over 7 minutes, your shit is going to start to burn, and it's not going to be cute, and it's going to stink. So we're not going to do that. So I got my oven. It's already preheated to 350. This is ready to go in. I go talk to Siri on my watch. Siri, set me a timer for 7 minutes.
Okay, 7 minutes and counting.
All right, it's lit. So you can put it in the oven and we'll be back. All right, we back. Timer is done. And this is how they look. So what you want to do, they all melted. You see they all even. Everything is melted. What you want to do is you're going to let this sit for 10 minutes. You can let it sit longer, but 10 minutes is when you're able to take it out of the mold. Because if I try to take out the mold now, girl, it's going to be a mess. So I'm just going to push these down just a little bit. See how that one was coming up a little bit. Push it down. Pretty good. So what we're going to do, we're going to let this sit for 10 minutes and we'll be right back. All right, we back. It's been 10 minutes, probably about 15. I let them sit. They cool down. So now we're just going to take a look at them. We just want to pull them up. And it comes out really easy because silicone, it doesn't stick. But look, this is how the lips come out. That's how they come out. And like I said, you can use any hard candy. I like to use the Jolly Rancher because people really like them, but I'm so over making them. Like I said, it's going to be the last batch. So these are pretty, they cool down. They are good to make. I'll probably take the rest of these off. Yep, they're good to make, to put in the bags now. They all good to go. They're not hot no more. So what you want to do is take your bag. Take your bag. Take your lollipop. Place it in the bag. You see? Place it in the bag. Take your little wrapper. Squeeze it together. Make sure the lollipop, you can see it. And you just, what are these? They call it twist ties, I guess? That's what we're going to call them, twist ties. I'm all in the camera. Yeah, and then I just twist them like that, like 2 or 3 times. And voila, there you go. Homemade lollipops in about 10 minutes. Well, 20 minutes if you're counting the cool down time. But yeah, super easy. If you want to add a little sticker on the back with your logo. I did that at first, but whatever. Yeah, so these are my lollipops. Super easy. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I have another video coming for y'all. I want to show how to make custom tissue paper. If anybody is interested in that, it's something I seen on TikTok, and I was like, girl, I need to try it. So I'm going to make a video like that for y'all. And thanks for watching.